Hello and welcome to India Today So South, and this is Afreen Hussain. It was a busy and rather interesting day for Tamil Nadu yesterday on April 19, 2024 as the state went into polling for the Lok Sabha elections 2024 with 6.3 crore voters, 68,000 polling stations and 950 candidates contesting from the state's 39 parliamentary seats. Initially, the Election Commission of India recorded the voter turnout for Tamil Nadu at 72.09%, but later revised the voter turnout to 69.46%, marking a notable drop from the previously stated 72.09%. According to the Election Commission data, this is the lowest voter turnout in the state since 2009. This adjustment has prompted deliberations and raised concerns among both observers and voters, casting doubt on the precision of the electoral procedures. Dharmapuri witnessed the highest participation rate at 81.48%, while Chennai Central recorded the lowest at 53.91%. The Election Commission of India released the revised statistics, leading to several questions regarding the accuracy of the initial data. Reports suggest that due to the scorching summer heat, many voters in the state were seen casting their votes early in the morning. However, polling slowed down in the afternoon but picked up again in the evening as the sun went down. As of today, 72.09% of votes were cast across Tamil Nadu. Later, the Election Commission of India officially announced that the total average voter turnout recorded in Tamil Nadu in the parliamentary elections was 69.46%. This is 3% less than the 72.44% votes cast in the last 2019 parliamentary elections. In all three constituencies in Chennai, the voter turnout decreased compared to the last parliamentary election. Chennai and surrounding areas stuck to their usual character of being low voting constituencies, with Chennai Central being the lowest at 53.9%. Historically, the city has been infamous for the lowest voter turnouts in the state. Central Chennai had the lowest turnout of 53.91% against 58.75% in 2019. South Chennai, which had the lowest turnout in 2019 at 56.92%, dropped to 54.27%. North Chennai, which traditionally polls more, saw the turnout drop from 64.04% in 2019 to 60.13%. The city's apathy towards voting continued, though the turnout this time was worse than at least the last three Lok Sabha elections. That is it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today So South.